In this video, I am going to show you how to fix DeepSeek not sending the verification code. Let's get started. First, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder in your email. Sometimes the code gets filtered there, so search for DeepSeek or verification code. Next, go back to the sign-up page and tap Resend Code, then wait a few minutes. Delays can happen, especially during high traffic. Make sure your email is correct. Even a small typo can prevent the code from arriving. If it still doesn't work, try using a different email or phone number. Some providers may delay or block the message. You can also try signing up using the mobile app instead of the browser, since it sometimes works more reliably. If nothing works, the issue might be on DeepSeek's side or due to region restrictions, so your best option is to wait or use alternative platforms. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.